Hey guys, Nick here with SSIC. I want to talk to you real quickly about fear and greed and how that relates to real estate investing. Check out this quote. Fear, greed, and hope have destroyed more portfolio value than any recession, depression we've ever been through. That's by James O'Shaughnessy. People talk about fear and greed being the two opposing forces that guide all investment and market movement. Neither is the right state of mind for success in real estate though. So in the beginning, I gave up several good years of real estate investing because I was afraid, right? Later, I bought deals I shouldn't have because I was greedy and cocky. So I'd like you to approach real estate investing as a calculated risk because that's exactly what it is. It's an upfront investment of work to earn ongoing profits and passive income indefinitely. But it still takes the work up front. Not gonna lie, you gotta do it right. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a diligent, get-rich-slowly-after work plan, and it takes a system of standard practices that must be followed each and every time. There are no free lunches in life, but there are predictable ways to gradually build wealth, and I wish I had known about all that stuff when I was younger, because it would have saved me a lot of stress and a lot of grief and made me a lot more money along the way. So come learn from an IDT, which is an I've done this, kind of like a PhD who actually got his hands dirty. You choose your date and time below. No strings attached, guys. Come out and learn how to invest the right way, starting with the basics. I hope to see you there.